welcome, good morning, Sat Shri Akal, Namaskar. We are here at NSIT Dwarka for this year's NTET examination organized by Switch Idea. You can see many excited and tensed faces around me. These are the students who have come from different parts of Delhi to give this examination. As you know, NTET is providing students with a unique platform to do internships during their graduation days. They can enroll themselves in the best of companies and have a first-hand experience of the work culture in those companies. So, Switch Idea is doing this exam, for finding you good internships. So, what are your views about internships in general?
Internship is really important not only for engineering students but for any student who is looking ahead of his career, and I think it gives you an exposure, industrial exposure. It trains you for your career ahead, so it's really important according to me.
So, are you aware about the examination pattern?
Yeah, I'm aware of it. We are going to have 4 sections: logical, aptitude based, and verbal ability, and question based according to a aptitude. So yeah, I haven't prepared for it, but it will be interesting.
Are you aware about the question pattern and how the examination is going to be?
Yes, it's going to be logical, maths, English and case studies. And I don't think that requires any preparation. You just have to have your skills and your little bit of knowledge, not too much.
So you're confident you'll clear the exam?
I think so, I should.
What's your name?
Hi, I'm Amitosh and I'm studying in this college. I'm here to give the NTET exam.
So you're aware about the procedure, like what happens after the exam?
I just know that after the exam, once you get the result, that you have to apply to the companies about your score as well as your CV. And then either they call you for the interview or you're selected.
So that means you're interested in internships.
Yes, why not? I don't think because it's not basically only because of the job that you get in the future. It not only helps you get the job, but it's because it helps you get your experience, and otherwise you waste your 2 months.
As far as NTET is concerned, it's a very good initiative from Switch Idea. It is a great platform for our students and for ourselves as well. Because when we go for internships, we have to, sometimes beg and plead for internships. But it's a, nice platform so where we can prove our potential, and companies can hire us for the interns.
आपका नाम क्या है?
मैं रेखा।
तो आपको पता है इंटर्नशिप्स मतलब इम्पोर्टेंट है या नहीं, आपको क्या लगता है?
मुझे ज़्यादा तो कुछ नहीं पता, बस जैसे मेरी बेटी बीटेक कर रही है तो उसने मुझे बताया कि इंटर्नशिप दे लूँगी तो आगे जो कंपनियां आती हैं तो मेरे को काफ़ी बेनिफिट मिलेगा। उनका चलो इसलिए मैं अपनी बेटी के साथ आई हूँ दिलाने।
So, sir, do you think internships are a good idea? Like, should students do it during their graduation life?
I think it always helps because it gives them a startup in the future, like what exactly the companies want from the children. So I think, but in the first year I don't think so. It is at all required. It should be end of the maybe after 2 years of the schooling and all, then it should be there.
Well, let's see what happens in this exam. Let's catch up with few of the students. Hi, what's your name?
Adil Ahmed.
So, which college are you from?
MSIT New Delhi Janakpuri.
So, how was your paper?
It was quite good, quite lengthy, but ultimately let's see what happens.
What's your name?
Urvashi,
You're from which college?
MAIT, MAIT.
So, how was your paper today?
It was quite lengthy and the time was very less accordingly. So it was a bit of a logical one and fine. It was overall fine.
What's your name?
My name is Pranshu.
You're from which college?
Northern India Engineering College, IP University.
So, how was your paper today?
It was fine. Not at my best, but it was good.
So, what do you think about Switch Idea coming up with this idea of getting students in one platform and giving them an opportunity to do internships during their graduation?
I think it's a brilliant idea because people don't know about internship and all till they are in third year or somewhat.
So, tell me, what do you think about internships during graduation? Is it necessary?
It is, because we need hands-on experience. So it is pretty necessary to do an internship and excel in whatever field you are studying in.
All in all, it was a good paper and good experience. And the location being NSIT, we got to see one of the best engineering colleges.
I think it's a great idea. Like it gives an opportunity to students for internships, and of course it should be done. Like it is important. Like it gives experience, exposure, and connects people, of course.